Hello friends, today's video regarding Ulefone Armour 24.
Life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste.
The Ulefone Armour 24 smartphone has just been released. The rearmost Ulefone smartphone is durable and portable. It contains a 22,000 mAh battery and can be used as an emergency lighting system. The smartphone features a large reverse-mounted LED light with a maximum brilliance of 1000 lumens. The Ulefone Armour 24 is grounded on the Android 13 architecture. The Ulefone Armour 24 is the company's newest product, following the Armour 23 Ultra. The brightness of the rear lamp can be adjusted in 3 steps using the side button. The Armour 24 can deliver a 6W beam from a long distance. With a capacity of 22,000 mAh, the Ulefone Armour 24 boasts the largest battery available. With 66-watt charging, it is swiftly recharged. The battery has a 7-day runtime and may be used as a power bank with 10-watt charging. The Ulefone Armour 24 includes a dual-camera system with a 64MP wide-angle lens and a 64MP night vision lens. This combination ensures superb photos in a variety of lighting conditions, allowing you to snap crisp and vibrant photos day or night. 2 infrared LEDs are added, which improves night vision and allows you to snap crisp, clear photographs even in complete darkness. The Armour 24's 6.78-inch FHD Plus display is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. It has 4G per LTE mobile connectivity and is powered by a MediaTek Helio G96 processor. The device has 256 GB of storage space and 12 GB of RAM. The user interface, which is based on Android 13, supports a RAM expansion of 12 GB. The Ulefone Armour 24 boasts numerous impressive features, such as powerful lighting, a power bank feature, and a sturdy design. The MediaTek Helio G96 chipset delivers exceptional performance and multitasking efficiency. Internal storage of 256 GB with an extra storage capacity of 2 TB, as well as up to 24 GB of RAM. Using the more secure, private, and pure Android 13 operating system. The built-in IR blaster allows you to use a universal remote control with the device. Because of NFC and Google Pay features, you can easily make contactless payments on the fly. Ulefone's new Armour 24 pushes the boundaries of rugged smartphones even further, providing an exceptional user experience while providing a versatile device capable of handling any task. More information is available on the official website, as always. Alternatively, you can simply go to AliExpress's sales page. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.